As you can see, I've been making some preparations to start spray painting the body in the garage. One of the main motivations for painting the car is the rust on the leading edge of the roof here. So I'll start by cleaning that back. I'm finding some very interesting patterns of rust, which I think it's very important to trace all the way back.
A lot of these little spots with the similar kind of spider pattern of rust underneath that I'll have to chase back as well. It's worse than I thought. But I'm glad I didn't try to do this in small sections. I left the pattern in them so I could follow back the rust as far as it goes, but I need to go at it hard now until it disappears completely and I have clean metal. That's been a tough job, but it'll be worth it for how much longer it'll last without rusting through again.
I've mixed up a little bit of filler for this, rather too little than too much. I can also make some more, and we just start applying it on the leading edge here. Another batch. I'll wait till that's dried before I try and join the two sections up. I'll be doing plenty of bits on the roof anyway. That's looking like a bit of an outbreak there, but I've left the filler dry overnight, and I'm going to give it a rough sand now with 120 grit paper on the electric sander.
Definitely taking shape.
Because I'm a bit restricted in my storage space, and because I can only get the garage up to temperature of about 20 degrees for spraying for short periods of time, because I'll need to ventilate while I'm spraying, I'm going to do the car in sections, and I decided to do the roof and the engine bay together as the first section, starting with the engine bay to get experience of using the primer and the top coat. So I'll start by removing the doors and masking up the rest of the car. It'll be a bit of luck if this wiring here for an electric mirror that isn't present just pulled out. No, it's well attached in there. We'll have to take the door card off now then, so. This one should come easy, but I'm not going to be so lucky with this one because it's been gathering water its whole life.